Creating a bibliography with Zoterobib. If you're given many assignments where you have to create bibliographies, you have a few options. You can create the bibliography manually. It takes a bit of time and very few people I know enjoy the process, but if you like doing it that way, go for it. You can use a citation manager like Zotero or Mendeley or EndNote. These are software tools that you download and install, and they take a bit of time to learn, but they're excellent if you have large projects. If you just need a very quick, very small bibliography, another option is to use an online bibliography generator. However, if you've ever used one of these, you may have noticed that many of them run ads or try to ask you for money for the full-featured version. I'm going to show you an online bibliography generator, Zoterobib, that is free and ad-free, made by the people who create Zotero. So the process of creating a bibliography with Zoterobib is to enter items one at a time in the cite box, select the citation style for your bibliography, and then export that bibliography either by copying it to the clipboard or exporting it as its own file. I'll quickly show you how to do this. Say I have an assignment about digital distraction and I have 2 journal articles and a book that I've cited. Now, I place these items one at a time in the cite box. I can either place them by title, by URL, by ISBN, or by other identifiers. The first article, Ill Communication, Technology, Distraction, and Student Performance, I've entered in by title. I put the title in the cite box and press Enter. And Zoterobib will look for the full citation for this article. It presents the full citation, I can select it, and it's added to my running bibliography. I'm going to add my second article, Brain Drain, the mere presence of one's own smartphone reduces available cognitive capacity. But this time I'm going to do it by copying the URL of the article. I take that URL, I paste it into the Zoterobib citation box and press Enter. And again, Zoterobib finds the citation information. Now I have a book that I'd like to add, and this time I have the print book right in front of me. It's called How to Break Up with Your Phone by Catherine Price. And instead of adding by title or by URL, this time I'm going to add by ISBN, the International Standard Book Number, which is the small number located right above the book's barcode. I have the ISBN here. I enter it into the citation box and select Cite. And the citation information for How to Break Up Your Phone is added to my bibliography. So I have my bibliography of 3 items. By default, I have APA 7th edition as my citation style. I can change that to Chicago, MLA, Turabian, or if I need another style, over 10,000 styles are available. I'll leave it with APA 7. Finally, to export, I can download as a file, but what I'll do is I'll select the Copy to Clipboard button, and I will paste that into my Word document. Here I go. I've got my 3-item bibliography with 2 articles and a book, and now I would just need to look through this to make sure that all the citation information is correct. There's always the chance that the available information online has small errors. However, that is the process of using an online bibliography generator like Zoterobib to quickly create a bibliography. If you need more help or information, contact your institution's library.